Nature's most beautiful plants can be the deadliest today. We reveal the world's most dangerous flora where beauty is a warning, not an invitation. Deep in the undergrowth, lurking in seemingly innocent fields, lies a botanical menace. Meet the giant hogweed, a truly innocent-looking giant, deceptively similar to Queen Anne's lace, but harboring a sinister secret within its very cells. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing, a beautiful facade masking a dangerous reality. Its clear, watery sap is phototoxic, a silent, invisible threat just waiting to be unleashed. Just a brief touch is all it takes, and when sunlight kisses the affected skin, it triggers a cascade of chemical reactions, resulting in excruciating burns. The aftermath is a landscape of painful blisters, rising and swelling, a testament to the plant's potent defense mechanism. These burns can leave lasting scars, disfiguring reminders of the encounter, and in severe cases, contact with the eyes can even lead to blindness. The effects can be truly devastating. Originally brought over as a garden novelty, an exotic specimen to adorn Victorian estates, it's now escaped its confines and become an invasive menace, aggressively colonizing new territories. Its reach extends across Europe and North America, a testament to its adaptability and resilience. Removing it is no simple task. It requires full hazmat-style protection, a stark indication of the danger it poses. For the unsuspecting, a single innocent touch can mean a lifetime of pain and potential complications. Its imposing beauty, the sheer scale of the plant with its delicate white flowers, is a cruel irony, a deceptive warning, nature's way of saying in the most beautiful yet dangerous way, admire from afar but keep your distance. The giant hogweed stands as a living reminder, a potent symbol that the most impressive and seemingly harmless plants in our natural world can, in fact, be the most hazardous to our health. Its spread is relentless, a silent invasion unfolding across the landscape, and its danger is all too real, a constant threat lurking in unsuspecting places. So, if you see it, admire its beauty, but under no circumstances, don't touch, and immediately report it to your local environmental authorities. Because sometimes the most beautiful things in this world are best admired from a very, very safe distance. In the swamps of India and Southeast Asia grows the Cerbera odolum, the suicide tree. It looks harmless, but its seeds contain cerberin, a toxin that can stop a human heart. Just one kernel is fatal, and the poison is nearly undetectable in autopsies. Its use in murders is legendary, earning it a reputation as the perfect silent killer. Local traditions warn children to stay away, and adults to never eat its fruit. Unlike other deadly plants, the suicide tree hides its danger behind an ordinary facade. Its threat is invisible, but very real. In nature, the most unassuming can be the most lethal. Respect the unknown. Sometimes it's the quietest plants that kill. Along the sun-kissed shores of the Caribbean and the tropical coastlines of Florida, a seemingly innocuous tree stands guard. This is no ordinary tree, it's the manchineel, a botanical hazard lurking in paradise. It bears the ominous title of the Tree of Death, a name earned through its potent toxicity and the severe consequences it can inflict upon the unwary. Its reputation precedes it, a whispered warning among locals and a stark reminder to tourists. At first glance, it might appear as inviting as a friendly apple tree, its lush green foliage offering a tempting respite from the tropical sun. Its appearance is deceiving, a wolf in sheep's clothing in the plant kingdom. But beneath its welcoming facade lies a sinister secret. Every single part of this tree is saturated with toxins, posing a threat to anyone who dares to interact with it. From its roots to its leaves, danger lurks within. The tree's milky white sap is particularly dangerous, capable of causing excruciating blistering burns upon contact with skin. This caustic substance is the tree's primary defense, a potent irritant that deters any creature from attempting to consume or damage it. Even the seemingly harmless rainwater dripping from its leaves carries traces of these toxins and can scar skin, causing painful welts and lasting damage. Seeking shelter under this tree during a rain shower is a gamble with your health, and the fruit, resembling small, tempting apples, is deadly. These beach apples are far from a tasty treat. Just one bite is enough to bring about intense agony, severe swelling of the throat, and in some cases can even lead to death. The pain is said to be unbearable, a lasting reminder of the tree's deadly power. Even burning its wood poses a threat, releasing toxic smoke into the air. This smoke can cause temporary blindness and severe choking, making it a dangerous undertaking to even be near a manchineel fire. The fumes are acrid and irritating, a clear indication of the danger they pose. Historically, indigenous peoples recognized the tree's potency and utilized its sap to create poison arrows, a testament to its deadly effectiveness. These arrows were used for hunting and warfare, making the manchineel a formidable weapon. Today, recognizing the danger, authorities often mark its trunk with red warning bands, a clear signal to stay away. These markers serve as a visual reminder of the tree's toxicity, helping to prevent accidental contact. The manchineel is essentially a total chemical weapon, cleverly disguised as a harmless tree, a beautiful but deadly inhabitant of the tropical landscape. Never touch it, never taste it, and never ever seek shelter beneath its deceptively inviting branches. Its danger is absolute and uncompromising, its beauty a carefully crafted deadly trap for the unsuspecting. So, when exploring the tropics, always heed the warning signs and respect the power of nature's most dangerous creations. The Tree of Death is not just a name, a mere label attached to a plant. It's a chilling promise of pain and potential peril, a reminder that beauty can sometimes mask the deadliest of threats. Brugmansia, or Angel's Trumpet, is breathtakingly beautiful and terrifyingly toxic. Its trumpet-shaped flowers conceal scopolamine and atropine, chemicals that erase memory and induce delirium. Criminals have used its powder to turn victims into mindless puppets. Even touching the plant and rubbing your eyes can cause vision problems and confusion. Gardeners have fallen ill just from pruning it. In South America, it's used in shamanic rituals, but for most, it's a siren song to disaster. Admire its beauty from a distance. The angel's trumpet is a reminder, not all that is lovely is safe. Sometimes the most fragrant flowers hide the darkest secrets. Aconite or monkshood is a fairy tale flower with a deadly twist. Its elegant blue blooms hide aconitine, a neurotoxin so potent it can be absorbed through the skin. Gardeners have fallen ill just by touching it. Ingestion is almost always fatal. Symptoms strike fast tingling, nausea, then heart failure, no antidote. Used for centuries in poison arrows and assassinations, it's earned the title Queen of Poisons. Today, it's displayed behind barriers with clear warnings. Its beauty is legendary, but so is its lethality. In the world of plants, enchantment often comes with a price. Handle with extreme caution, or not at all. Venture deep into the lush, verdant rainforests of Australia, and you'll discover a hidden world, teeming with life and untold dangers. But among the towering trees and vibrant flora, a silent menace lurks, waiting for its unsuspecting victim. This is the Gimpy, also known as the stinging brush, widely considered to be the world's most painful plant. It's a botanical nightmare cloaked in innocent-looking green. Its seemingly soft, fuzzy leaves are, in reality, covered in millions of tiny needle-like hairs called trichomes. These aren't just any hairs, they are venomous delivery systems, loaded with a potent neurotoxin. Should you make the mistake of brushing against them, even lightly, you'll unleash a torrent of agony unlike anything you've ever experienced. The initial sensation is often described as a simultaneous burning with acid and a shocking jolt of electricity, a truly unbearable combination. But the horror doesn't end there. The pain can persist for months, in some cases even years, a constant, agonizing reminder of your encounter. This is because the microscopic hairs become embedded in the skin, stubbornly refusing to dislodge and continuing to fire off new waves of torment with the slightest touch or change in temperature. Incredibly, even dried leaves, decades old and seemingly harmless, can still deliver a potent sting, a testament to the plant's enduring toxicity. The Gimpy's reputation is so fearsome that there are documented cases of horses jumping off cliffs in a desperate attempt to escape the unbearable pain. Researchers who dare to study this botanical terror must wear full-body protective suits and respirators, shielding themselves from any potential contact. Even with such precautions, the Gimpy demands respect and caution, a constant reminder of nature's capacity for cruelty. The Gimpy is a true master of persistent cruelty, a plant that inflicts suffering long after the initial contact. In the complex ecosystem of the rainforest, it's often not the largest, most imposing plants that pose the greatest threat. Instead, it's the unassuming ones, the plants you barely notice underfoot, that can deliver the most devastating consequences. One accidental brush with the Gimpy is an experience you'll never forget, a painful lesson etched into your memory. Sometimes the smallest, most inconspicuous threats are the most relentless and unforgiving, a stark reminder of the power hidden within the natural world. In Chile and Argentina, the Bokeila vine terrifies not with poison, but with its uncanny mimicry. It can change its leaf shape to match any plant it climbs, even without touching it. Scientists have no idea how it does this. It's a living mystery. The vine blurs the line between plant and animal, suggesting a hidden awareness in the plant world. It challenges everything we think we know about intelligence in nature. The Bokeila is a silent enigma, unsettling in its quiet genius. Sometimes the most disturbing plants don't harm your body, they challenge your mind. Nature's greatest mysteries are often the ones we can't explain. The plant kingdom is full of danger, wonder, and secrets. These aren't just background scenery, they're active, sometimes deadly players in nature's drama. Respect their power and remember, beauty can be a warning. Share your stories in the comments, and let us know which plants fascinate or frighten you most. Like and subscribe for more journeys into the world's most mysterious life forms. In nature, the most beautiful things are often the most dangerous.